Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Nero Nemesis exterior color and bicolor sportivo Nero Ade and yellow leather interior with yellow contrast stitching throughout. This Huracan comes well optioned, including factory matte black finish, Vorsteiner rear wing and front carbon diffuser, rear camera, power adjust and heated seats, parking sensors front and rear, 20-inch black sport wheels, yellow calipers, transparent engine bonnet, and much more.